Good morning to all. Let's start our new lesson, average. What do you mean by average? Average of a group of number of the same kind is a single number which represent that group. Also, average help us to make better estimation and to compare two groups. Example, you may have seen in your report card average marks scored by you in annual examination. We find out the average of a group of numbers by two steps. Step 1. Find the sum of all the given numbers. That means adding up of all the numbers. Step 2. Divide the total by the number of addends. Equation for finding the average is equal to sum of all the numbers by number of addends. I repeat, sum of all the numbers divided by number of addends. Example, find the average of first 5 natural numbers. Which are the first 5 natural numbers? The first 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that average is equal to sum of all the numbers by number of addends. Here, sum of all the numbers means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And number of addends is 5. Therefore, average is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 the whole divided by 5. That is equal to 15 divided by 5. Answer is 3. Therefore, average of first 5 natural number is 3. Let's see a situation to make the concept more clear. Children in class 6A decided to raise 1000 rupees to buy books for the library. There are 40 children in a class and they decided that all of them should give the same amount. How much should each give? To compute this, we need only divide 1000 by 40, right? The amount each should give is equal to 1000 divided by 40, that is equal to 25 rupees. That means each child would have given 25 rupees. Here is another situation. There are 30 children in class 6B. They raised 1200 rupees for a medical fund. Can you calculate how much each gave? In this question, 3 chances are there. First one, if all had given the same amount, each would have given 40 rupees. Second, if all had given less than 40 rupees, they could not have raised 1200 rupees. In the same way, all could not have given more than 40 rupees. That means, if all had given same amount, then each would have given 40 rupees. If some had given less than 40 rupees, then some others must have given more than 40 rupees. So we can say that the average amount of each kid give is 40 rupees. Let's see some problems on average. Question number 1. Manikutan supplies milk to the society each day. Last week, he supplied 56 liters in all. How much did he give each day of this week on average? The amount given on all days may not be the same. Average per day means how much he would have given each day. So, answer is, if he had given the same amount on all the days, then average is equal to 56 divided by 7. That is equal to 8 liters. Not. This doesn't mean he supplied exactly 8 liters each day. It might be 7 liters one day and 9 liters another day. It might be slightly more or less than 8 liters each day. Question number 2. On 5 days, a man spends 300 rupees, 250 rupees, 270 rupees, 280 rupees, and 290 rupees. How much did he spend each day on average? To find this, first we have to find how much did he spend in all and in how many days. The amount he spent in all is equal to 300 plus 250 plus 270 plus 280 plus 290, that is equal to 1390 rupees. Number of days is equal to 5. We know that average is equal to sum of all the numbers divided by number of addends. So, the average expenditure per day is equal to 1390 divided by 5, that is equal to 278 rupees. Question number 3. See the length of cloth needed to make shirts for some kids in Sudhir's class. There are 23 boys in the class. How much should be bought to make shirts for all? Here, clothes needed for 5 kids are given. We have to find how much clothes is needed for 23 boys of the same class. From the table, it's clear that total length needed for 5 kids is 600 centimeter. So, average length needed for each kid is 600 divided by 5, that is 120 centimeter. So, we can estimate that total length of cloth needed for 23 boys is equal to 23 into 120 centimeter, that is equal to 2760 centimeter. Question number 4. The table shows the amount of electricity used in Majid's house for some months. What is the average amount of electricity used per month? Which are the months on which usage is more than the average? Answer is the average amount of electricity used per month is equal to 85 plus 90 plus 75 plus 82 plus 78 whole divided by 5, that is equal to 82 units. And the month on which usage is more than the average is equal to January and February. Question number 5. The total income of a man in 8 days is 1840 rupees. What is his average income per day? That means, what will be the income of that man on a day? The total income of a man in 8 days is equal to 1840 rupees. Therefore, average income per day is equal to 1840 rupees by 8, that is equal to 230 rupees.